In this tutorial, we will write some Node.js code for SMS Spam Detection. Is a machine learning model that takes as a SMS as an input and predict whether the message is spam or not a spam message. Let me add another message. Control S for save, and it's ham. You can see here ham. He lies around and something something. Let me type anything. Hello, and it's ham. Once you save, it will give you a response. It's spam or not. So now let me create a one Node.js project to understand a whole thing of SMS spam detector or a detection. It's a machine learning. So let me do that. Let me create a one folder and give it name spam detection. Inside this folder, we will create one file, new file server.js. So let's open this file in our code editor. I'm using VS Code. Alright, now we will install spam detection. So type cmd. We will use this spam detection or a detector. So npm install spam detection. Copy this code and paste here and hit enter. So two packages has been installed. Let's close this one. Then in our server.js here we will write a code for checking messages, it's spam or not. So let's constant make a variable spam check and include that library spam detection spam check and call the function detect. Here we can write a message for checking spam, then store it in a variable. So const is spam. Simply you can copy and console.log is spam. Control S for save. Now let's run and check cmd nodemon server.js. So server.js is this file server.js and let's hit enter. Now let's put side by side. So it's a checking. Let me write spam message. Control S for save and it's spam. Hello, it's a ham. Let me copy and paste spam message and you can see it's spam. Let me paste ham message that are not spam and you can see here even my brother is not like to speak. So you can by the way, you can change any word that showing a problem while writing a message of your SMS like hello, control S for save, it's ham, damn, hello John, comma. If you type a dollar sign, it's okay, and any amount, and you can see here it's spam. So at the $300 to 500, I think there is, let me add another number 5482. So it's a ham now. Let me add a dollar symbol. It's still ham. It means this message is not spam. So if you add remove 4 add 0 double 0 it's a spam. So you have seen the magic of spam detection. It's a very important tool for checking your messages, SMS messages before sending. So pretty much we have done. If you like, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.